Hi guys, it's Anthony Molinaro from OBrien Real Estate with another edition of the Eastern Weekly Property News for 2020, where real estate information is of course on the house. Melburnians' confidence has taken a bit of a dive since the new lockdown restrictions began, but largely businesses and consumer confidence across all other parts of the national remains positive about the outlook. These two graphs here show the V-shaped rebound we have been experiencing since the lows of March, although that sentiment in Melbourne has somewhat subdued in the last 7 days. There also has been some concerns about hotspots emerging in New South Wales. However, the New South Wales Premier has ruled out implementing Stage 3 lockdown restrictions like in Melbourne. The recovery in consumer spending is occurring outside of Victoria according to the CBA, with card spending in the week to July the 10th up 7.2% on a year ago, although Aussie consumers do remain a little wary about spending on those big ticket items like luxury cars. The sales numbers across the state were again strong despite no open and on-site auctions being allowed in metropolitan Melbourne. We still saw 256 auction results captured, with 62 selling before auction, 97 selling under the hammer, 4 selling after, 30 passing in and 63 withdrawal, giving us a clearance rate of 63.67%, which is around the same mark it has been for the last 6 weeks or so. Private sales transacted across the state saw high sale numbers again at 1,141 selling during the week, down only 26 from last week's high. Now, moving on to reviewing the numbers across the O'Brien network, we also experienced our best week since early March. We are seeing strong interest not only in the sales but also in the property management sector, with many engaged customers to the market. Now, over the week we saw listing numbers hit pre-COVID-19 highs, with 81 properties launching to the market. We saw 79 properties moving to under contract, 72 confirmed sales across the group, and our highest sale price achieved was $1.26 million. It looks like Victoria will continue to dominate the focus for the nation until we see the trend in cases subside. But in the news abroad, US stocks have had 3 consecutive days of solid gains amid rising cases across many states. June US CPI inflation rose more than expected, suggesting that deflation period may have ended for now. Housing starts and retail spending will be released later this week, which will provide direction for the US stock market. For those considering their property position, we are offering a free service called an Equity Health Check, where we'll assist with providing comprehensive insights around price, loan, insurance and depreciation of your investment property, so you have the right information at your disposal so you can make the most informed decision when navigating through your real estate strategy for this new financial year. Now, that's all for another week. I'm Anthony Molinaro, and thank you so much for taking the time to review the week that was. And remember, at OBrien Real Estate, we are not a financial advisor. You should always seek independent legal, financial, taxation or other advice in relation to your unique circumstance. Until next week, it's bye for now.